Education Enhancement Organization EEO lamding na sinduna organization na sige playground da mamang thagi kunipal dagi team tara na group ani thok na khaidoktu na chatharpa 4th EEO Paona Memorial 9 A-side Open Football Tournament lisingani kunmanga gi winner Football Lovers Nongpok Sekmai na oikre tournament asigi ngarang sanaki ba final match ke thoromatu da ex minister Mirabai Devina Atoiba Mithunglen Kangabo Kendra ki ex MLA O Landoni Devina Thoromapu Sangayumpam GP ki ex member Hibzur Rahman DMC Tawal ki president L Ngambi Devi Wangjing Lamding Municipal Council Ward number 2 ki councillor A Santi Devi Ward number 3 ki councillor Y Ibo Pishak Singh EEO Lamding ki advisor K Shyam Singh L Subhas Chandra na chingba miyoi kya na akhanaba Mithunglen Singh oina saruya ki Final match the Football Lovers Nongpok Sekmai na Sangayumpam FC bu goal ani 0 da thoiki Football Lovers ki mai pak pagi goal sing adu match ki kunmathoi suba minute jersey number 6 MD Chaubana penalty kick ta aduga kuntrataruk suba minute jersey number 8 S Rosana chankibani tournament adugi winner takraba Football Lovers Nongpok Sekmai the trophy galonana sale oina lupa lakama ki mana runners up takraba Sangayumpam FC da trophy galona sale oina lupa lising humbudra ki mana pikre Football Lovers ki jersey number 8 S Rosana best player Sangayumpam FC ki jersey number 16 MD Sarozna best defender Football Lovers ki jersey number 1 Sanatona best goalkeeper Lamding FC ki jersey number 11 Surajna top scorer Khongjom FC na best discipline team oiduna trophy galona sale oina lupa lising ahum aduga Pandam FC ki Chandra Kumar na best team coach ki mana sale oina lupa lising mari ki mana ngasigi Mithunglen Singh na khusinaki